We are learning more tonight about what went down in Mansfield and who has been arrested. It all started at West Oliver and Washington Streets yesterday. An explosion led to that house fire and a manhunt and a school lockdown. WCIA3's Ariana Williams is live in our newsroom. Ariana, so 2 people were detained last night. What do we know today?
Mansfield police say they can't share much because the investigation is ongoing, but they did confirm the person who was arrested at the fire yesterday is not connected to the explosion, and the Piatt County Jail says the other person was questioned and released. Taking you back to yesterday, here was the scene. Not much left of the back of the house after the explosion and fire. One window was blown out with such force it hit the person's house next door. The homeowners I talked to say police told them there were squatters inside the house. This happened 3 blocks away from Blue Ridge Intermediate and Junior High School. It was put on a soft lockdown while police were searching for anyone involved. The lockdown lasted for less than 30 minutes. Now back to why the person was arrested on scene. Police tell me it was because of an outstanding warrant and the person just happened to be in that area at that time. Live in the newsroom, Ariana Williams with WCIA3, your local news leader.
All right, Ariana, thank you for that update. A Springfield man's been arrested in an anti-human trafficking operation. State police say it focused on people who compel others into the commercial sex industry through force, fraud, and coercion. 24-year-old Marcus Bender's been charged with involuntary servitude and promoting prostitution.